Morning YouTube. It is a very crappy Saturday morning here in Schertz, Texas. Schertz is a little suburb outside of San Antonio, in between San Antonio and Austin, because you know what's happening in Austin. If you don't, you live under a rock. It is the Texas Motovlogger Meetup 2016, hosted by Motonosity. I was supposed to go pick up Team Bradley, but he just moved to a new house and I put it in my GPS and it took me to a barber shop, so I told him just meet me at the meetup spot. The meetup spot is a local grocery store here in San Antonio, or Schertz. Organized a group ride from San Antonio to Austin. Most of the San Antonio motovloggers are going to be there. We're going to meet up with them for a little while, about 30 minutes or so, and then take off to Austin. Hopefully this weather clears up a little bit. It's supposed to clear up, but it is Texas. We have a saying in Texas about the weather. They said if you don't like the weather, just wait 30 minutes, it'll change. So look at all the bikes. Hello everybody. About a third of our way to Austin. It is currently started to drizzle on us. It's not too bad, but enough to beat up on the visor here. Another side note, I don't know if it was recording when it happened, but I hit a big ass pothole coming out not even a mile from where we took off from. It has caused my handlebars to come back by about an inch. I can't get my mirrors to a point where I need them to, so I'm a little sketched out right now. Just gotta tough through it because we didn't connect any Bluetooth before we left. We ran out of time, so kind of screwed.
Screwing up, tired of going down, tired of myself, tired of this town.
Small pond, big pond, the fish are the only difference. City out of harmony, lingering on the dissonance. Fishermen wrapping up citizens with their fishing nets. Sometimes chemicals, some played old imprisonment. Dissidents laughing at themselves as if they had a voice, acting like technology really gives them a better choice. Protect the borders as we stack up our elitism. Defeatism is what we pretend that we keep believing in. I'm straddling both lines, the quietest revolt. Politicians fake like they caring that we vote.
Yes, sir.
I hit you up on Instagram.
Oh, yeah.
I saw him and then
Let me roll up front. Ah, like crap. Man, I think this like turned to be the cruiser group. There's a lot of them. Man, I forgot to put my glasses on again. What am I, a rookie? Alright, so they broke us up into groups. I'm gonna talk to myself, so okay. I forgot to warn you about that. So they split us up into groups. I think they split us up into 6 groups. They kind of paired us with some of the bigger motovloggers. We're orange group, which means we're with Do It With Dan, I think. Yeah, I saw Do It With Dan was below somebody, but I can't think of anyone that would be above him. Unless Moto's gonna ride with us. It looks like everyone else is packed up. Oh fuck it, I'll do it once. Yeah, Motonosity's rolling out with us. Woo, this is a big group. This is a great spot to be in the pack because you get to see almost everybody. Yeah, it's a good sized ride. It's a good road too. I mean, besides the stoplights. All right, we got a blocker here on the highway. Shout out to those guys. And bike life everywhere. And watch this guy on the shoulder. I just totally got ignored by this guy. Oh! He didn't kill switch it, he turned your bike off.
Thanks, Bash.
What's up, man? I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Hold on.
Jesus Christ is my nigga.
Alright guys, so we just finished up with the Texas Motovlogger meetup. It was a great time. Got to meet a bunch of cool people. Now I got a good portion of the San Antonio group. We're headed out to Torchy's Tacos. To the white line? White line? Fat ass Dinah. Ooh, this place looks packed. Oh, go ahead. Go ahead. I gotta text the old lady or she'll come kill me.
Oh,
okay. Oops. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed my little rendition of the Texas Motovlogger meetup. If I have somebody that you guys haven't heard of already, I'm going to go ahead and throw the link down in the description below. Go check these guys out. It really is a truly good group of guys. Expect to see more videos of them in the future. Other than that guys, I just want to go ahead and throw another quick little thank you into here for all of those who have supported me so far. I really do appreciate it. Ah, where is this water coming from? Ah! What is this? There's no cloud above us! And just well, actually, I'm not making a complaint because it is just enough to get me wet and make it feel really good. Anyways, guys, as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time.
A few moments later.